There are a couple of approaches out there that people will use. So I'll start from the very top. A repair solution has to be engineered. So if you have damaged racking and you are looking to an alternative to just replacing the racking, now you may want to look to an alternative because maybe waiting for an upright is longer than you have to wait. Maybe there's an industry constraint somewhere in the supply chain, and then rather than the upright being ready in 12 weeks, it's going to be in 26 weeks. We've seen that take place during the time of COVID and when demand was extremely high and the supply chain was very constrained. So that could be one reason that you want to opt for an engineered repair solution. It could be that the OEM, so the original equipment manufacturer that you have in your building for your racking, no longer exists. The racking is 30 plus years old. You acquired the racking and OEM nowhere to be found. And now you don't want to just completely ditch the existing racking. You want to address some damaged uprights in your facility. So that's another example where you might want to opt for a repair solution that's engineered that can address your concern. Now, there's a litany of other things like, some repair solutions like ours don't necessarily always require the full unloading of an upright. We have a patented device that we latch onto the upright that supports the load in the uprights as we make a cut, remove the damaged portion, and then slide in our kit, bolt it, and anchor it. Now, that's our solution, and one that has a bunch of advantages to include the speed of manufacture, the speed of install, and for, I would say, higher end repair kits, and ours, we call it the Pro line, it almost comes in with a built-in protection to future damages. So as I try to synthesize my answer, a repair kit fundamentally is an engineered solution for addressing rack damage. It restores the load capacity of the affected upright. It mimics the rack configuration or style that was there before. And if everything is great, you're not going to have to do any on-site welding, and it comes in with built-in protection. From that standpoint, now you start comparing what the value add of different potential suppliers might be. But I would ask folks, look for the quality of the manufacturing, look for the warranty behind the product, the speed of manufacturing and install, and then you could have a decent understanding of, hey, Mark, or is this better to be replaced or repaired? So I think with all those things, our customers will be able to come to an intelligent decision on how to render each scenario.